This is my text analyzer file assignment. For this assignment, we basically had a base file that had a bunch of bad practices in it, and we just needed to fix it according to the standards that were listed within the assignment. I'm just gonna walk really quickly through the file. So basically, it just reads a text file, it counts the words that are in it, it shows the most frequent ones, it tells me how many long words there are, which are words that have 4 more letters. Um, and it looks more clean than the original one. Um, Pretty much throughout this whole entire thing, you can see comments that I left above whatever each thing sort of does. It just makes it a little easier, and again, it makes it cleaner, easier to read for other people, and easier for me to understand basically what I was doing. To start off, there's one of them. I just exactly say what I was saying in the beginning. Then I imported my counter because that was another thing that we needed to do for this assignment. And then my constants I chose. So the top words are equal to 5. Just how many words I want as the top words to be counted. And then the minimum long length number, which is just treats words with the length that are 4 or more as long. And then we move on to the helper functions. The first one is the read text path. It uses a with statement to safely read the file into a string, and then the with automatically closes the file, so I don't have to remember to put the close at the end. Split words text, lower cases, and splits on white space. Super simple. And then count words. That's where I switched from the manual dictionary loop that was in the original to the collections counter, which allowed me to use the counter that I imported. And it builds a frequency map in one line, gives me handy tools like most common. And then find long words. It's just a one-line list comprehension that filters words by how long they are. And then print report. Pretty much just prints everything with f strings like the assignment told us to do. Total words are sum of words, word counts, and then the unique words are length of word counts, and then the top list comes from word counts, and then the top numbers. The main function is the analyze file, and then again it just says what it does in pretty much 5 easily labeled steps. Number 1, it reads the file. Number 2, it normalizes and splits it into words. Number 3, counts the word frequencies. That's where we use the counter. Number 4, filters the long words to list comprehension. And then number 5 is it just reports the findings and prints everything out for me nice and easily. Honestly, I did get a little annoyed during the assignment because I kept fixing things, and then I kept going back into the assignment requirements and saying that I needed to erase some stuff that I already fixed. But it's okay. This makes it look much easier to understand. So again, that people can adjust it or read it however they, much easier than they would have before with all the bad practices. And then at the bottom, I added the standard entry point. That means basically that if I run the file directly, it analyzes the sample text, and then if I import this file from another script, it doesn't auto run, so it makes it reusable. To run it, I do this right here, or you can also do it manually in the terminal by doing Python 3, because that's the Python that I have active, text analyzer .py, and then it gives you the same thing again. As you can see, the total words, the unique words, most frequent words, which are in this case are my 2 favorite cookies, And then it lists the long words that are the words that have 4 or more letters, which in this case is 25 words in the sample text. That's pretty much everything that's in this file. I also have the README, which I'm going to submit as well. Thank you for watching.